Hi, this is Abram Pilcher, Laptop Magazine. We're here with Daniel Barreto of Wise Technology talking about PocketCloud Explore, a new software service that lets you access your files from anywhere. So what do we have here?
Well, here we have PocketCloud Explore running on an Android phone. And what PocketCloud Explore does, it allows you to create your personal cloud. Your personal cloud is composed of all the data on all your devices that you have, as well as on the public cloud. So for example, here you see the personal cloud components. These are my different machines. Some of them are in the US, some of them are here, and I can seamlessly access them, so I can browse all the content across any of those machines. I can look at my documents, I can look at my videos, my multimedia, and the good thing is that since we're on a smartphone, one thing that you want to do is make the access really quick and simple. So for example, I've been working on a PowerPoint, and I know that on that PowerPoint I have a slide, one of the slides has an agenda. So let's search for that document. So I search for agenda. And just like that, PocketCloud Explorer went through all my computers, and it found that I had a PowerPoint on one of them that is PocketCloud PowerPoint. And I can just click on that file, and it will go over the internet. That application actually is in one of our US computers, so it went through the internet and got the PowerPoint for me. And as you see, the second slide is the agenda slide that I was showing you. So it actually searched all the content of the files across my personal cloud.
Wow, can it search within documents as well?
Yes, the example I just gave was actually searching within that PowerPoint. It found nowhere in the file name is the word agenda.
How does it know to do that? Does it have an index on the local machine?
So we have an index in the local machine, so we don't store your data in our cloud, we store that in your devices, and what we give you is a free PocketCloud companion to be installed on each of your machines. It can be your Macs or your PCs. And the other things that you can do is you can view the content, you can transfer it, so if you need to manage the content, you can transfer it between computers, between folders, or you can share it. So here we're demoing sharing, and you can share the content directly from that laptop, so that people can access that file on that laptop, or if you prefer, because maybe that laptop or that computer might be offline, you can make a copy to the cloud. So here we're going to be demoing the sharing from the laptop. So just like that, we went through our service and generated a unique URL to that file that you can now email to any of your co-workers or friends.
And that URL actually takes you to the cloud version, or the local version on the computer?
That URL, depending on where you open it, it will take you to a website where you can access the file.
Wow, even though the file is living on a remote computer.
Exactly, the file is on a remote computer. You don't have to install PocketCloud on whatever machine or phone you are opening that URL. It will take you to a website hosted by PocketCloud.com, and it will show you the contents of that file.
Wow,
actually, that is the website, and that website right now is going to private beta. So the sharing part is going to be available for everybody, but to actually manage and access the content the same way I just did on PocketCloud Explore through the web, we're going to have a website which is right now in private beta.
Wow, fantastic. So what else can you do with the service?
Well, other things that you can do is we're working on a follow-up release so that people have a lot of videos, they have a lot of audio, so in a very soon release, you're going to be able to stream all your multimedia and videos from your computers without actually having to download them to the device. So that's coming out soon. Some other stuff that you can do now is you can go to, for example, your computer, and let's say you took a lot of pictures at an event or a trip, and you want to upload those to your...
What it allows us to do is customize what happens.
Sorry, the Wi-Fi has been so spotty at the show, but the idea here is that you can go to any of your computers, and if you have images, pictures, or videos on your mobile device that you want to upload to your computer, you can do that over Wi-Fi, over 3G, without having to plug in any cables or anything. So it makes it very simple to transfer content.
Fantastic. And is there a beam feature as well?
Yes. Let me see.
You want me to demo it?
Yeah, we can demo it.
You just come in every day and plug it in. What happens? Just the things that you can program. So
Oh, here.
Connect.
So the
You can send it to
Hold on, let me log in.
any application you would like in
This one.
so here the beam feature is actually a tech preview.
No, you can't do it on that one.
Oh,
That's the receiving end. So our companion. Did you explain the companion?
Yes.
So we have a specialized companion to support the NFC feature.
And the companion is the desktop software?
Yeah, so the thing is, what we want to do is I want to share a file on here, which I see on my remote Explorer, to him. Now he's a different person, different account.
Right.
He has no access to this file.
Right.
So I can go down here, and I go to my documents, and I have this PowerPoint presentation that's on my work computer. Rather than emailing it to him, I can actually beam it to him and get it to his phone. So you can see it's brought the dialog up, and it'll actually pull up the application. And so you can see that I've transmitted the PowerPoint presentation to him, and now I can download it to my phone and have access to it. See if it works with the wireless.
And the key thing here is that we didn't even have to exchange emails or personal information. Just by touching the two devices, we're able to pass the
So you can see it's the same
codes
file.
so that we can transfer the file.
Oh, I have to download it from the computer. I forgot. It's on the computer. It's not on this device. So I'm downloading it to my device again on here. But you can see it transferred over here. So you can browse through it.
So it actually did it actually download to his device from the computer, or did it download to yours first?
It downloaded it from here. I didn't mean to confuse you. That was a different operation. So
Right.
I sent this file to here.
I see. So even though he didn't have access to your computer normally, he does after you beam with it.
It's not giving access to the computer. It's giving
Just that
access to
file.
Yeah.
That file. That's really amazing.